These two panes of glass, one over here, one over there. They look quite similar, don't they? But watch what happens after I very slowly get these gloves on. Ooh, this is ordinary glass. It's very, very brittle. Compare that now to this glass over here. This is toughened glass. It's barely left a mark on it. If I really gave it some welly, I could smash it. But there's definitely a difference between these two panes of glass.
The secret is chemistry.
But first, I just need to undo this. Ooh. I'm going to go into a little bit about the molecular structure of glass. But just bear with me, because I promise this is going to be worth it. Glass is actually a super-cooled liquid, so you can think of it more like some strings of beads of atoms rather than like a really nice regular structure. And glass, it's made from sand, limestone and sodium.
Charged particles, or ions, of the sodium will sit inside this structure.
Just on the surface like that. Right, that's normal glass. Now, when it comes to toughened glass, you have the same sort of strings that kind of go like this, but instead, they deliberately remove the sodium ions on the surface and replace them instead with potassium. I don't know if you remember any of your chemistry from school, but potassium is a much bigger ion than sodium. And so, its presence in this structure means that those strings of beads fill up the spaces between these strings, are like squished out towards the edges. And it means that if ever something comes along and cracks down here, the potassium helps to just keep everything neatly knitted together.